today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. The only thing that you need is an A4 sized sheet of paper. First, fold the paper in half along its length. Use your fingernail to make each crease very sharp. Open your paper back up and fold the top corners of each side so that they meet in the middle, making a triangle. Fold your triangle down so that its tip is about 1 or 2 centimeters from the bottom of your paper. Fold the top corners of each side again like you did before. Next, fold each side down so that their longer edges meet. Next, fold your paper down the middle along its length. Now it's time to make the wings. Laying your paper on its side, you can see that your paper is a kind of triangle. Fold the top layer of your paper in half so that the 2 longer edges of the triangle meet. Repeat this step on the other side, and you're finished. Here are some tips to make your airplane look and fly better. 1. Fold up the edges of your wings, like this. And 2. You can twist the front tip of your airplane to give it a sharper look. Well, I hope you enjoyed your plane. Remember to play with it safely. Have fun.